So like they say, we started from the bottom, right? And now we're here, right? Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm really excited today. What I ordered finally came in, which is a step closer to fixing the GTR. Before this video starts, guys, do me a favor. Like the video if you guys like it. And if you don't like it too. Share the video. And then also subscribe. And then turn on notification, which is the little bell. If you guys hit the little bell, it gives you access to get all the notifications. That way you don't fall behind or you stay up to date. Today I actually upgraded from a jack, which I've been using for years, which everybody out there uses, to, they call this a quick jack. So this is the BL5000 SLX. Let's get to it. Let's start setting them up. Let's open up these boxes. So these are your blocks that you will put between the lift and the vehicle. They give you, pretty much that's what it looks like. If you guys can see, it has a line like a cross. Makes it easier to lift it. So these are those hangers that I was talking about. Pretty nice, actually. Pretty nice. So Q and J for quick jack, obviously. But that is what it looks like if you guys can see. So these are what's gonna hold the quick jacks on the wall. So now the bigger box, which is the hydraulic pump. So they give you all your fittings and Teflon tape. It looks like some grommets. So hydraulic lines, here's 2 lines, male and female on each side. I bought this through Costco, so I got a really good deal. There's a really good deal going on right now. You know, and the knowledge that I have, I always share with you guys. So if you guys are looking to buy one of these, buy it right now because there's $200 off. With taxes, it came around $1,300 free delivery. You can't beat that. So 2 identical lines. So this kit comes with 12 blocks. So there's no excuses that you don't have enough blocks, I guess. So here's the pump. So here's the remote. It has a hanger. That's what it looks like. So first one out of the box. I don't have enough clearance to put my tool here and the frame. So what I have to do is I have to lift it up. I'm gonna show you guys in case this happens to you guys. There we go. It allows you to put in your tool. It has a seal. You guys see that seal? It has a seal, so be careful with the threads. So far so good. I mean, now we're going to connect the lines. So the next thing you want to get is you want to get one of the short hoses, and you're going to grab the female side and you're going to connect it to that fitting. You want to grab your Teflon tape. The next step is you're going to use this male fitting. You're going to connect it to this line. We're going to fill these cylinders with 45 pounds of pressure. So there it is, nice and snug. We're going to turn on this puppy and we're going to set it to 45. These are your female fittings for the hoses. So there's 4. I already installed the lines on both. So this is the power unit. What you're gonna want to do is we have two fittings left. These ones here, right? So we're gonna grab those 2 fittings and we're gonna install the bottom one first, one at a time. So you do the bottom one first. That way you have the room on top. So let's do that, and we're almost done. And then after we do that, we're gonna fill it up with hydraulic fluid, or in this case, transmission fluid, which is right there. And by the way, these work really good for your knees when you're in the garage, so you don't mess up your knees. So think smart, guys. Work smarter, not harder, right? We're gonna take off the plug so we can fill it with transmission fluid. So we're almost to the top. Can you guys see? Yep, you guys can kind of see it right there. There it is. It's all done. Right, so you're gonna connect it to that one, to your power unit. Guys, you want to grab one of the big blocks, and put a medium on top. And then you're going to put it underneath so it elevates it so it bleeds it correctly. Alright guys, so the moment of truth. Here we go. So you push it up. There we go. What I'm going to advise you guys to do is turn these down more further so you can put them. See how this one goes over? Well, you're not going to be able to have this line over once you start lifting the car. So you want to put it under like this one. So you want to make sure that this is pointing this way. Obviously, you got the bottom piece that allows it for clearance. What I do like about it though, pretty cool though. When I unplugged it, I was like, man, there's going to be ATF that comes out, right? I'm going to tell you guys right now, nothing came out. Not one drop. That's crazy. That's pretty cool design. So anyway, let's put them underneath the car and see how it goes. So these are the locks, as you can see. So you lift these up on both sides, so it doesn't lock. So this is a ride height. So the car is 5 inches. See how many inches it lifted up, guys. 18 and a half. Alright guys, so I'm all finished up putting the lifts together. These are portable, they're very cool, easy to put together. I like them because you can take them anywhere you want. You can take them to the racetrack. If we go to when we go to shift sector, we can take them with us. You just got to connect them to a power source like a generator. The capacity, the lift is 5,000. The reason I went with this kind of lift is because my garage is not that big, right? So they fit perfect for my garage. Eventually, hopefully we get a bigger house in the future, we can buy a bigger lift. Who doesn't want the bigger lift or a 2-post lift? But for now, these will do. I'll still keep this one because you could use this for quick tire rotations, oil changes. It works for every car I have except the Yukon Denali. So it'll work for the Evo, the CRX, the GTR, the SRT. It'll work for all of them, which is perfect. But yeah, I do like them. I definitely do recommend them. I would say from 1 to 10, I'm going to say like a 9. And there's no leaks from the lines. So quality of the build is really good actually. It's really cool design and cool build. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, guys. 2,000 subscribers. That's crazy. I would have never imagined that, you know, what we do. I mean, I will say this. I do enjoy the journey, but I would have never imagined, you know, that all you guys would jump on board and watch what we do. I really appreciate you guys. I really do sincerely. Me, Luis, everybody that's on the channel, you know, everybody that's part of the channel, thank you, and let's keep it going. DGV, right? Join the DGV family. Let's keep going, baby. 2021. Stay tuned for Christian's car reveal. Enjoy the journey, guys. Enjoy the journey. Blocks come with it. To be able to accommodate the pinch points. Okay, today. Cash me.